So, welcome to the Japanese candlesticks trading crash course. In this course, I will take you from the beginner level to at least an intermediate level. You will understand the difference between the professional traders and amateur traders, how professional traders manage their risk, and how they use candlestick patterns to make money in the markets, whether it is stock markets, commodities markets, or currency market. So let's have a quick introduction. This is just an intro video. I am Rohit and I am a CFA Charterholder and I am a founder and director of the Turtle Shells company. This is a financial education company and we create educational resources like this to help you increase your success rate. And this is my official CFA badge. I am a Nissan certified advanced Japanese candlesticks charting expert. Now, if you want to learn Japanese candlesticks, the best trainer in the world to learn Japanese candlesticks is Steve Nissen, because he was the one who introduced Japanese candlesticks to the Western world, because Japanese candlesticks as a trading tool was more than 200 years old, and Steve Nissen was the one who researched it and got it to the Western world. So, Steve Nissen is my coach. I am also a Dale Carnegie certified trainer. I founded a community in Dubai. I was in Dubai for 9 years, after which I came back to India. This is a financial education community, the Money Turtles community. And we went from 0 to 800 members in less than 1 year. So, in this community, we used to meet, discuss about finance, personal finance, investments, assets, liabilities, debt, taxes. We used to play the cash flow game, and good community is still functioning in Dubai. I have also founded the Cash Flow Club of India. I am also into podcasting. I also have a YouTube channel. So a lot of things I am doing online. I used to work with First Abu Dhabi Bank, Union National Bank. I spent good 4 years with the Bank of Egypt when I was in Dubai. I started my career as a software developer. So that's a quick intro of mine. This was in Dubai, and Mr. Frederick Level, chairman of the board of governors in of the CFA Institute, Mr. Paul Smith, CEO of CFA Institute at that time, and Mr. Amir Khan Sahib, the president of CFA Society in the Emirates. So this was back in Dubai. So that's a quick little intro of mine. Let's move ahead. This is Mr. Munehisa Homa. He was the one who originally invented Japanese candlesticks back in the 18th century. Sorry. So he is called the father of Japanese candlestick charts. There is a record in history which says that he had more than 66 consecutive profitable trades, something like that. I don't know whether that number is correct, but you can look up on the internet. He had that many consecutive trades, right? So he was the most successful price action trader in world history. And when he was 31, he wrote this book called as The Fountain of Gold, the Three Monkey Record of Money. This is the world's first book on market psychology. He was the first one who understood the importance of understanding psychology to make money in the markets. So he said that there is yin and yang in the markets. So sometimes the market is going up, sometimes the market is going down. So he was the best at analyzing price, and after he developed the Japanese candlesticks as a tool, it kind of evolved over a 200-year period. And in 1989, it was Steve Nissen, he is my coach. He got this knowledge, he researched it and got this knowledge to the Western world in 1989. So he is called the father of modern Japanese candlesticks charting. So whatever Japanese candlesticks techniques people are using now across the world, much of that credit goes to Steve Nissen, because he was the one who popularized Japanese candlesticks more than 30 years ago now. So he is the author of this book, Japanese Candlesticks Charting Techniques. Please buy that book. For me, that is like a trading Bible. Every professional trader has this book. So if you are serious about learning to trade, please get that book. It's available on Amazon. So Japanese candlesticks charting techniques, I use it as a reference book now. I have read it more than 3 times. So I use that as a reference book. I have also taken more advanced educational resources from Steve Nissen. That is why I am a Nissen certified advanced Japanese candlesticks expert. So you can do that. There is a website, I think it's candlecharts.com. You can go there and you can find a lot of resources by Steve Nissen there. And in my view, he is the world's best trainer in when it comes to Japanese candlesticks charting techniques. And this book has sold it's sold hundreds of thousands of copies all over the world. So get that book. It will help you. It has helped me. It will help you. So this is how a Japanese candlesticks chart looks like. So this is the price. This is a daily time frame chart. So each candle here represents 1 day's worth of price action. This is Nifty 50, which is a representation of top 50 stocks in India. So on the y-axis you have the level, index level. On the x-axis you have the timeline, and as you can see, back in June, so this one, so back in June the market was at 12,000 level, and by the second week of August, let's say we come here, by the second week of August the market has gone below 11,000. So that is how you interpret this chart. If you have been trading for some time, this chart is very elementary and basic for you. It's very easy for you to understand this. But if you are someone who has never looked at a chart before, this might seem a lot of overwhelming. You might think, why is there these lines like this? Why is there not a straight line, something like this? Because the market moves in a zigzag position. Don't worry, we'll get to that. This is how a Japanese candlesticks chart looks like. Okay, so that's a quick little intro for now. We will start digging deeper. We will go into how does this candlestick gets created and how to analyze it, what do these different shapes and colors mean. So we will get into that. Okay,